Alright, welcome back to the channel. This video is even going to be a little bit different. This is the first vehicle I've ever attempted or going to attempt to sell on eBay. It is a 2007 Chrysler Crossfire R design. That's what this emblem here means. I've never been able, since I've owned this car, to figure out what or who is R design. It's got a nice hood, ridges on it, looks real sporty. The tires, that one's missing the sticker, but it says R design. R design here, down underneath the fender flare. Tinted windows. It does have a couple little issues. I'll show those in a little bit. It's got these little racing stripes on this fender here. Go around to the back. The wing comes in and out. I have a video of us driving it, so you see the wing deploys about 60-65 miles an hour. This rim has the R design on it, or this hubcap, you can see it right there. Oh, it also says it on the back. I just walked past it, let me show you. R design. Not sure exactly what the R design is or who it is. If it's local or somewhere out in your state. All in all, for the year, the car's got, normal scratches, wear and tear, rims. I found a couple curves, but they don't look that bad. Car drives A1, excellent car. No issues driving wise or mechanically. We'll show you the other stuff here in a little bit. Alright, here's the car with everything open. Hood, super clean hood. It says it has a K&N filter. It does not, just has a standard filter. It wasn't in it when I bought the car. I never put the money into buying the upgraded filters. We may have drove this car 2,000 miles since we've owned it, so very low mileage on our part. The car itself has higher miles, but our part, not so much. Here's the first issue with the car. It is missing the driver's side pull handle. So if you look across the way, you can see that silver handle, metal handle you're supposed to pull the door shut with. The driver's side is missing. That's a common issue with this car. They break. And you can see it sharp right here. It broke. I did not break the handle. I bought the car that way. You can buy the handle on eBay for like $250, something like that, plus shipping. Interior, black leather seats, two-seater car, 6-speed manual transmission. I'll sit in the seat and show you all that stuff when I'm driving. The other driver's side or passenger side is in perfect condition, no issues. Here's one of the scuffs. I don't know if it'll show up on the video or not, but it's in the paint. It's not through the paint. It's still there. It just needs to be buffed out. It's just got some little chips here and there. Trunk, decent sized trunk for this car. I mean, being a hatchback two-seater, it does have a decent trunk. And then we come around the other side of the car, here your passenger side. Like I said, the door handle, everything is the way it should be. It's in good condition. Seats, once again, leather seats, all in great shape, no tears, rips, anything like that, almost mint. Carpet can be vacuumed, but in really good shape. Dash is fine, no cracks, no nothing on the dash. Okay. Go the other way. Alright, so this is the video of the car. So you can hear it shifting through the gears. Mile an hour, the wing will come out on the back. Here it comes now, deploying. Wings fully deployed. Car's driving smooth, 60 mile an hour. Let go of the steering wheel, drive straight. No issues. The lights are on the listing. When you go on eBay explaining there's some sort of electrical issue with the car. All 4 tire pressure gauges have been checked. They're all working. They're all communicating to the computer. The airbag, the recall's been done. They can't get the code to clear, and the check engine. Both O2 sensors have been replaced. Once again, still can't get the codes to clear. They believe it's something electrical. Don't know if it's the main controller or one of the other modules, or it's just electrical issue, wiring issue, something like that. Other issue the car has is the lining starting to come down a little bit. I usually just put fabric glue. It stays up for about a year or so, then slowly will start coming back down again. Then the last issue, which I'll show a video of it later possibly, is the handle on the driver's side door is missing or been ripped off. But it should be a handle just like the passenger side over here. But those are easily bought on eBay for about $200, $250 if you want to replace it. I just pull the door shut with the door itself instead of the handle. That was a big old rock hitting the car.
Leaves.
But as you can hear, shifts smooth, drives smooth, fun little car to drive. Wife and I both enjoy the car, just really have no need for it. It's our fourth vehicle, it just sits in the garage while it gets driven. Insurance a year costs us more than, like I said, we drive it, or even put gas in it. Insurance is the most expensive part of this car for us. But for somebody that drives it every day, it'd be a great car. Fun car. Two-seater, of course. We'll show you the trunk, we'll show you the engine. Just wanted to make a short video of us driving it to show you that it does run and drive just smoothly. 6-speed automatic, or no, 6-speed manual, sorry. So 6-speed with reverse, as I stated. All the gears shift good, clutch is in great shape, radio works, great shape, air conditioner, coldest air you can ever have in any vehicle I've ever owned. Heater works. Just an all in all great car. Just like we said, I have no issue or no need for a fourth vehicle in our house. So we're getting rid of her. I'll put the listing down below in the description so you guys can click on it and see it on eBay, see what it's going for. Started off at a decent price, way below market value. Like I said, I'd make a great car for somebody. Alright, I'm inside the car behind the driver's seat. Turn the car on, and I will show you. Maybe I may have to shut the door. Let's see. So there's the 3 lights that we get. The top one is a tire pressure sensor. All 4 tire pressure sensors have been checked. Code's been cleared, just keeps coming back. They don't know why. Airbag recalls have been done. They've been checked. Everything's good to go. They don't know why that one's on. And then the check engine is the O2 sensors, which have all been replaced. They clear the code, and a day or 2 later it comes back on with lean bank or something like that again. So all 3 of these are electrical issues, and they don't know if it's the main computer, one of the modules, or what. And just recently now, the remote won't lock or unlock the car, so you always have to leave it unlocked. So something electrically going on with the car. I've not had anybody really look at it because we don't have any dealerships close to us that will work on it. The other 2 lights are me. It's the brake lights on, and I don't have my seatbelt on. Those clear off. I can take the brake light off to show you how to clear. See, then when I put the brake on, it's on again. Radio works good, no issues with it. Air conditioner's on, blowing nice cold air. I'm gonna go outside next and show you the wing manually going up and down with the help of my wife. She's gonna be in the car making it move. So give me 1 second. Alright, I'm in the back of the car. Car's running. No smoke, no issues. My wife's going to deploy the wing. There it goes now. The wing is now out. So if you're in sports car mode, it automatically comes out at 65 miles an hour. Now she's going to put the wing back in. Showing you the motor works just fine. It does multi-stage when the car's running. And there you go. So that is the car in a nutshell. Like I said, it is going to be on eBay as soon as this video goes up. It will already be on eBay. $4,500 I think is a good asking price, fair asking price. Link will be in the description. It's ebay.com/str/Indy-Picker, INDYPICKER. Once again, links in description if you're interested in watching the car sell or to purchase the car yourself. Once again, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.